Welcome back to another video, traders, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to Trading Trends. I'm TJ. We got a great video for you today talking about Nvidia, but before we get into that, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's take a look at the chart. So, nothing like last year, but Nvidia has had slow and steady growth this year, moving above its growth channel, consolidating a little bit around the 550 level, and testing the growth trend just a couple times in March. But recently, breaking out and making new all-time highs on Friday as well as again today. Obviously, the split's coming up. It's scheduled for June 21st. If they needed another catalyst, they just had their greatest earnings report they've ever had, $3.66 a share, destroying estimates. Is kind of expected, but still great. It's not enough to send them up to some incredible number or anything, but it's on pace with very, very bullish expectations. And I mean, for me, what I needed to see before I said, all right, is there going to be a nice little push before this stock split, was a new all-time high. And so we saw that on Friday. That's when I got in. I got 700 calls. They were green on Friday and they were red this morning, but they went green again before the end of the day. And we made a new all-time high right here pre-market at 655, and then we just barely topped that around 3 o'clock today on a very crappy day for the market. Markets were up and down. Very strong pre-market. This is the SPY, and then just crashing and burning for the rest of the day. NASDAQ wasn't much better, had the same type of action and not quite as big of a pump pre-market, so it actually fell through the support now, down to 332 from a opening high of 335. So really not a great day for stocks, and yet Nvidia is making a new all-time high. So there's still about 3 weeks until this split happens, and I think there's going to be plenty of opportunity to, I don't know, maybe get to 680, maybe even 700, depending on what the indexes do, because obviously stocks can't just move on their own. They can to a certain degree, but not like that. So I don't think I'm going to hold these all the way until the split, but we'll see. I think there's going to be one nice big pop, and we're just barely breaking this. This high is from the previous high was April 15th. So it's not like an old number that we're just crushing here. It's been this typical up and down, consolidate into support, and then make another little pop, and then come back down. It's a company that people love that has gotten expensive. And so, let's look at this chart here. Going back to September 1st, which was an all-time high for the market, this is the first time that Nvidia hit 587. And it wouldn't be until February that they broke that number. And now since then, when they broke in February, they went up to 614. It took another couple of months. This was in April, last month, that they broke out to 647. And then now, let's say a month and a half after that, they're breaking out to 655. So it's starting to slow down, but also breaking into new levels and kind of moving with the growth channel all along. Although we're out and above it, obviously, be much more comfortable to say if we were within this channel right here, that's for sure. But it's not unrealistic to think that we could continue going higher in the short term on this channel before a little bit of consolidation. I feel like I'm rambling a little bit here. But I guess the main takeaways are, number one, bullish earnings report is now behind us. And number two, markets are somewhat weak on the day, and we still see an all-time high. That gives me a thumbs up for Nvidia. I'm going to ride this one out for a little while, just so you can get like a little pop on my options premium, and I'm going to take some profit. That's it. In and out, easy money. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like. It really helps out the channel. And comment below. Let me know what you guys think about Nvidia stock and this little split play that we have going. I'm sure I'm not the only person to think of it. I've heard a lot of chatter, why doesn't everybody just do a stock split? Your stock always goes up. I mean, that's not necessarily the case, but it does seem like a fairly reliable catalyst to me right now. And like I said, off a stellar earnings report, and now again making a new all-time high on what was essentially a red day on the market. Those are the things that give me optimism that I can see a nice little pop in the short term, make some money off my options premium without having to hold them for too long. So comment below, let me know what you guys think about that. And if you enjoy my analysis, please subscribe. I make new videos every day. If you want to see more of my content, you can check out my second channel, Tesla Trends, where I look at Tesla as a chart and give update analysis every day over there as well. Thanks as always for watching, guys, and I will see you next time.